Oftentimes people have a easy and versatile go-to look for the winter times when they just don't feel like getting out of bed. It's cold, they don't feel like putting in a lot of effort. For example, I typically will do a v-neck sweater, put on a tank top underneath, and pick a scarf to tie in everything. It's very easy, you can do a million things with it. Even sometimes that gets boring though. In the name of multiple variations of fashion, I did try this hack with lots of different styles of sweaters. I didn't find a single one that it didn't work with. So, I was perusing the clearance aisles at Forever 21. I see this, $2. I instantly grab it. Most people will bypass this because they either think that it's too skimpy or they're too scared to wear it. However, think outside the box, it can be a statement piece and completely transform one of your favorite outfits. Just simply pop it over. And bam, you have a new outfit, $2.